Is your Mercedes-Benz showing the P2099 engine code on your OBD2 scanner? In this video, I'll explain what the P2099 code means, the common symptoms, possible causes, and how you can fix it step by step. The P2099 code means post-catalyst fuel trim system to rich bank to dot. In simple terms, the engine control module has detected that the air fuel mixture after the catalytic converter on bank to contains too much fuel and not enough air. This usually indicates a problem with the oxygen sensor, fuel system, or air intake system. If your Mercedes has the P2099 engine code, you may notice several symptoms: check engine light illuminated, poor fuel economy, rough engine idle, black smoke from exhaust, strong fuel smell. In some cases, the car may still drive normally, but fuel consumption may increase. The most common causes include 1. Faulty oxygen sensor on bag 20 to leaking or clogged fuel injectors. 3. Dirty mass airflow sensor for high fuel pressure from the fuel system. 5. Intake system problems or vacuum leaks. 6. Faulty engine control module in rare cases. It indicates the powertrain control module proceeds a lean fuel-to-air mixture downstream of the catalytic converter. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P2099 error code. Method A. Exhaust leaks. The exhaust system begins at the engine combustion chambers and runs along the undercarriage of the vehicle, eventually ending with the visible tailpipe. If you have a small leak around the corner, get some exhaust putty to seal it up. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Stir the paste well to activate it. Apply and press the paste to seal the leaking area. After the application, don't start the engine because the positive pressure from the exhaust will blow out the paste. Let it cure for 2 to 24 hours, depending on the external temperature. The hotter it is, the quicker it will cure. That means you can use something like a hairdryer to heat it up and make it cure faster. Exhaust pipes are made out of rolled steel, and there is a welded seam on it. Like this one, the seam will often rot a large leak. First, get sandpaper and a wet wipe to clean the leaking area for better application. Get the heat wrap out and put it in the water for about 30 to 40 seconds to start the activation process. Then remove it and squeeze out any excess water. Wrap it around the area and overlap it a couple of inches on each side. Repeat the process 3 or 4 times. Then squeeze it to make the resin go all through it. Start the car and let it run for 30 minutes so the heat cures it and makes a permanent fix. Method B. The oxygen sensors. The oxygen sensors are located before and after the catalytic converter. Bank 1 is on the side with the cylinder number 1. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensors. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P2099 error code. That's how you diagnose and fix the Mercedes-Benz P2099 engine code. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more automotive repair videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.